everybody, how are y'all doing today? I hope you guys are all doing well. This video is probably going to be going up tomorrow on Valentine's Day. I hope you are all having a wonderful and safe Valentine's Day, and this is just a friendly reminder that I love you guys so much and our family just keeps growing and growing, so big hugs to all of you guys. I seriously I can't explain how much I appreciate you guys. We are snowed in right now in Washington State. People are acting like it's the end of the world, okay? We have so much snow outside.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Focus, Andrea, focus. Today we are going to be doing a review and tutorial featuring this palette right here. And at this time right here, the tutorial will start. However, if you want to see the review and tutorial, then just keep watching, you're in the right place. But if you just do want to see the tutorial, which I totally understand, it is right up there. I am so excited to share with you guys this wonderful indie brand. But before we keep going, if you guys could do me the biggest favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell. I love posting reviews, tutorials, and anything else in between. So if that does interest you, this is the channel for you. Alright, now if you would like to see what I think about this palette, how I created this look, then just keep watching. My under eye bags are not doing too good today. Throughout this video, I am going to be highlighting this palette right here. This is the Beyond Blushed Ivy's Kiss palette from CXC Beauty. And I did purchase this palette myself. I've tried lashes from indie brands, which I've loved, so I'm really excited to finally try out a palette. I did find out about this brand through Jonathan Pierre. I will link his channel down below. He is so much fun to watch, you guys. There's so much energy and he's really passionate about what he does, and his looks always turn out amazing, so I would highly recommend checking out his channel. Also, the creator of CXC Beauty also has a channel, and I will link his channel down below as well. I'm not as familiar with his channel, but he does unboxings, tutorials. Also, I will link his Instagram because his Instagram has such amazing looks, and through his Instagram you will be able to see new launches that he has. I actually did a little bit of research before this video, which is very rare. So what I did find out about this is cruelty-free. I will go ahead and read about what it says under the About part on the page, only because I really liked what it said. So what it says is, CXC Beauty is dedicated to bringing luxury cosmetics at a lower price. Here at CXC Beauty, we welcome everyone. Makeup does not see gender or race, but only art. Breaking beauty standards one masterpiece at a time. Makeup does not see gender or race, but only art. I was like, yes, okay, I have to make a purchase at that point. So here we are. I love my matte everything, so we are actually not only going to be using this on the cheeks today, but also the eyes as well. I've only looked at it. I've had this for approximately a week, and I've just looked at it. So this is what it looks like when you open it, and it just has a little plastic compartment. As far as packaging goes, I do like how it comes in this plastic container. I think that this is pretty easy size for traveling as well. And these are the beautiful colors. I like this because this is great for all skin tones. Say you're a lighter complexion, you have these, medium, deep, do whatever you want with it. Honestly, I've seen people use colors that I wouldn't think would work on them and ended up looking phenomenal. So do what you will. But I think that this is a great palette for whatever your needs are. I'm excited to finally swatch these. Like I said, I've looked at it, but I have not touched it. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to start off with the names. The names are on this plastic insert. It's not difficult to read them, but I think that it's just not the best. Different stamping, or I don't know. It doesn't look the best on here, but I can at least read it, which is honestly all I need it for anyways. So what I did is I just swatched Tiger Lily. This is beautiful, and that is it after 3 swipes. So I do like how these are buildable. I feel like I do have kind of redder undertones throughout the day, so I have always been very hesitant to put on blush, but I know that it does make me look more alive. So that's why I decided to get this palette, so it has colors that I could see myself actually using. Okay, so this one right here is called Venus Flytrap. Oh, we are getting bold. Once again, I did take my finger in 3 times to get this result, and I really like the pigmentation on it. This one is real bold. Let me tell you about her. This is Azalea. Azalea. Yeah, it's Azalea. So that is this color right here, and she is a hot pink fuchsia color. Lightly brushing it on and then maybe putting some powder over it to dilute it a little bit could work for me personally. But if you want a more bold blush, this is going to be the one for you. Okay, and then I just watched Dusty Rose. Now, Dusty Rose is one that I could see myself wearing every day. I think that it is just this beautiful, kind of more muted pink color. Because like I said, I don't usually like wearing blushes. So this is a color that I could see myself wearing every day, while also giving myself a little bit of pigmentation on my cheeks. So I lied. Dusty Rose is not my favorite. My favorite is definitely, Amaranth. Amaranth. I'm totally probably butchering the name of this color, but it is beautiful. I love it. Look at that. It almost has some peachy undertones to it, which I didn't expect because it looks very pink in the pan, so I'm very happy with the color payoff on that one. Next, I just watched Cordline. Oh, I'm probably butchering this one. Yeah, Cordline, maybe, I hope so. That's what this one looks like, and this would be beautiful for just like if you just wanted to put on some mascara and just have this flushed look. That's what this color would create. I love that one a lot. This bottom row is just speaking to me, okay? This whole bottom row, this is it for me, fam. Something that I did notice while swatching these is these don't go on chalky, and for matte blushes, I mean, it's not the creamiest thing in the world, but this isn't like a shimmer. This isn't, you know, this is a matte we're talking about. And for that, the fact that it's not chalky and didn't go on super dusty, I'm like, what? Yes, girl, yes. I'm here for it. If I'm not mistaken, this palette was $34.99. In my eyes, the way that I like to see this is the same price as Lunar Beauty, at least from what I've seen so far. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. This is a palette that I could see myself wearing on the daily, which is why I purchased it. Like, this will do me good for quite some time. I would recommend this palette to literally everybody because odds are it does have the color for you in this palette. And not only that, I would recommend CXC Beauty. He was so easy to work with. I want to say his name is Chris. Is it Chris? Hopefully it's Chris. Christian? Gosh darn it. I didn't get that far, but I think it was Chris, but he was so easy to work with, and he kind of sent me like an email, a follow-up email saying if you have any questions, concerns, you know, let me know. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. So that was really nice. Now let's get on to my favorite part, and that is creating a Valentine's Day look. We are going to start off with the cheeks, mainly because that is, you know, it's a blush palette. So we'll start off with the cheeks, go up to the eyes, and end with the lips. For the base color on my cheeks, I am going to apply Dusty Rose. I'm going into that with my contour blending brush from LaRousse, but I'm awful at using brushes for what they're supposed to be used for, and I really like this one for my blushes. Ooh, she pigmented. You guys probably can't see it that well on there. However, in real life, you can tell from like a mile away, which is awesome. This is honestly a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. However, when we swatch things, well, when I swatch things, it's not going to perform the same way on your hand as it is on your face. And same goes for any makeup, eyeshadows, lipsticks, etc., etc. Since I am typically an au de naturel kind of gal as far as day-to-day life goes, this is my kind of blush. This is something that I could see myself wearing to work and it not being too overpowering. Next, I'm going into this color right here, and this one is Amaranth. Now I'm going to be focusing that kind of more up top and in between where you would typically put your blush and your contour shade. So like right here. I promise it's gonna work out. And then, so as you can see, it's kind of where you would contour, and I have already contoured, so what I'm going to do is I'm then going to bring it up, whatever's left over, it's just kind of like dusted up onto the cheeks. But for whatever reason, I've been liking this a lot more lately. I have a pretty small face, so whenever I do this technique, I find that it elongates it, and I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Am I crazy or does it look okay? Honestly, that performed so well. Oh my gosh, this is just perfect for the winter. I'm going into my Suva Beauty 180 brush. And then I'm going into this highlighter, which I don't think I've used yet. This is the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster by Seraphine Botanicals. This is honestly doing better than I thought it was going to, and I say that only because it is kind of, I don't know, more of like a bronzy, no, it's not like a bronzy, it's almost more of like a, not a taupe, what am I thinking, a khaki? I don't know, it's just not a typical highlighter color that I would use, but it's going on my face a lot differently than I thought. I don't even want to do the eye makeup now because I like this so much. Like this and a couple coats of mascara would seal the deal for me. I'm going to start off by priming my eye with my Morphe eyelid primer. In the crease, I am taking Dusty Rose. Taking this palette on the eyes is also going to show you guys what the blendability is like. Because on the cheeks, like you can see that it blends a little bit, but the eyes is a true test. On my lid, I'm taking Amaranth. Again, you guys are probably so sick and tired of me using this bottom row. Oh my gosh. These are just such beautiful colors, honestly. And then as per usual, we're taking that lid shade a little bit up into the crease because of my hooded eye. Just waving this fluffy brush up into my crease and it's blending really nicely. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it's going really well. And then on the outer third of my lid, I'm going into Cordline. When I tell you there's no fallout, I mean there is no fallout. I'm seriously blown away. Now, I had concerns after I did like a full face beat down and I didn't do my eyes. I was like, shit. I usually do my eyes first in case of fallout and I'm not seeing any. It's nowhere in sight. Who's fallout? Who's she? I'm going back into Dusty Rose and I'm just gonna kind of touch it up just to make sure that I can bring up the pink as far as I can. I suppose I should say as far as it looks okay. And this just kind of softens out the edges of what we just did. And then back into Cordline and just kind of, I want to focus it a little bit further up. I feel like I'm not that good with bright shadows, so what ends up happening is I end up not taking it up as far and it doesn't look as good, so I'm hoping that filling in kind of like this space right here makes it look better. Okay, I'm happier with taking it up. Because I have such small little baby eyelids, it makes it difficult for me to kind of see where I need to put more product and where I don't. I'm going to dip back into this Seraphine highlighter and I'm just going to focus this on the brow bone, just kind of on like the outer third and bring it down, and then also on the inner portion of the eyes. Underneath my eyes, I am going to take Azalea. I'm scared. And once again, we saw zero fallout. I'm honestly unsure as to why I was scared of Azalea, because Azalea actually went on really well. And Azalea almost has like a little bit more of like a purpley undertone to her. I don't know, I like it. Whatever's happening is working. Though I was scared to take glitter directly on my lid because I had this vision that I wanted to pop some glitter on the inner portion, and I'm not quite feeling it now. I'm not quite feeling it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of this. This is the e.l.f. It's a glitter and cranberry punch. And I think I'm just going to line that underneath my eye. We'll see how this works.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Fun fact, that did nothing besides darken it up. And I think it's because I ended up having to take it on a brush versus the applicator, so we're gonna go a different route. I'm going into my ColourPop In Your Eyes Glittery Obsessed Body Glitter. This will definitely do the trick. And what I did is I just put that on my hand so that way I can lightly go into it and place the glitter as I want. Okay, so hopefully this will pick it up on camera because I love how this turned out. OMG, I'm obsessed. I love this so much. I'm just gonna keep adding it until I'm out, honestly. If I go blind, it's because it says body glitter, not eye glitter, so I'll let y'all know how I'm doing here in a couple hours. Okay, so next for the eyeliner, I am going into this, which is the Dragon Liner, I think. Yeah, it's the Dragon Liner that I did get in my BoxyCharm for the month of January. Sorry, I was like, what month are we in right now? I have no idea. Though these wings are a little different, these are stepsisters, not twins. I'm not even going to curl my lashes since I'm going to be putting on falsies anyways, but I'm going to take my Beauty For Real mascara, and this one is just in black. And this is a super nice mascara because it is super small, so this allows me to get it to all of my lashes. I am just placing a light coat on my upper lashes. While my mascara is drying down, I'm going to focus on my lips. So I'm going to start by taking this color right here, and this is the Revlon Matte Lipstick, and this one is in Black Cherry. Alright, and then over this lip color, I am going to apply my MAC lip gloss, and this one is in Melt For You, which is this beautiful opal shade. Oh, I should have taken this with a different applicator because now I'm messing it up, but that's okay. I probably should have let the matte lip color dry down first before taking this lip gloss, but it's already done now. Now onto the lashes. I'm going to be trying out this pair of lashes from Clarity Beauté, and this is another indie brand lash company that I will link down below, and this is going to be my first time trying out their lashes. I don't know which style these are in, but let's see how they work. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love this. Oh my gosh. So this is a more dramatic look that you could wear for a date night or whenever you really want to, honestly. This would be great for Valentine's Day, even though I know that this video is probably going to go up on Valentine's Day. I just think it's a beautiful look. Once again, referring to this palette performed so well, not only on the cheeks but on the eyes as well. It was pigmented, it was blendable, chef's kiss. That is it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day-esque look. And if you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, let me know down below in the comments if there is an indie brand that you have been loving that you think I should check out. I think especially right now because of COVID, I want to support as many small businesses as I can, or as my pocket will let me. So if you have any that you recommend, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. Alright, so your girl is tired. It is time for a nap. Favorite time of the day, siesta, because this took 50+ minutes to film, so hopefully I can cut it down a little bit. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see all of you in the next video. Bye guys!